Aaminin ko po. Nagalit po ako sa inyo noon. Dahil naniwala ko kay Mom na inaagaw niyo sa amin sa Dad. But I didn't know. I didn't know that Mom was so capable of doing such horrible things. Ano po yung humihingi ng kapatawaran sa ginawa ni Mom? Attorney Meredith, I'm really sorry. Yung mga pangangapin na ginawa ko kay Ate Lilet noon, akala ko yun na yung pinakamasamang nagawa ko na kasalanan sa kanya. This is so much worse. Buhay yung kinuha ng mom ko sa nanay niya. Hindi ko alam kung kaya niya pang magpatawad. I don't even know if kaya ko pa siyang harapin after knowing the truth. Hindi ko alam kung kaya ko pang sabihin sa kanya yung totoo. How do I tell Ate Lilet? How do I tell her that it was my mom? My own mother that killed hers.
Trixie Engano, I didn't expect to see you here. But then again, sino naman na mag-e-expect na mapapadpad ako dito?
Lorena.
You still know my name? That's a relief. Akala ko kasi lahat kayo binura ng pangalan ko sa mga alaala ninyo. Pati na rin yung nangyari kay Ino. Just so you can all move on with your little lives.
So all this time, akala ng lahat si Ino'y pumatay sa kanya. At makukulong pa siya kung buhay siya dahil sa crime na ginawa mo. My God, Mom. What did you do to Ino?
Ginawa ko ang lahat ng ito para sa pamilya natin.
Siguro, galit ka pa rin sa akin hanggang ngayon. Dahil sa iniisip mong ginawa ni Ino. Sigurado ako na masaya ka sa sinapit ni Ino. At ang nararamdaman mo ay nakapaghiganti ka na sa ginawa sa'yo ng anak ko.
I've already forgiven Ino. Sa kung ano mang ginawa niya sa akin.
But not for what you think Ino did. Tama ako, Trixie. Dahil nanay siya ng kapatid mong si Lilet.
Alam niya na ako ang pumatay kay Meredith.
Meredith is in a better place now. At alam ko, alam na niya ang totoo. magalit na kayong lahat sa akin. Sisihin niyo na ako for defending my son. But I will stand by my truth. Ino had nothing to do with Meredith's death.
Alam niya na ako ang pumatay kay Judith.
Sigurado ako, kung sino man ang pumatay kay Ino, sila rin ang pumatay kay Meredith. I know that. Wala siguro silang pamilya. Walang ina. Walang anak na makakaramdam ng sakit ng kahayupang ginawa nila. Kaya hindi nila mararamdaman ang sakit ng isang inang katulad ko. Kung ano ang sakit na ginawa nila. Kahit saan sila magtago, hanapin ko sila. I will make sure na pagbabayaran nila ang ginawa nila sa akin. Mananagot sila sa Diyos. At pati sa akin.
I can't hear this anymore. Stop it, please. I'm sorry.
Attorney Alon.
What is this about now?
Lilette, can't you see? This is not the time for your drama. Renan is grieving from Sabrina's death.
Grieving o celebrating? Dahil wala na yung tao makakapagbunyag ng lihim niya. Hanggang sa huling sandali ng buhay ni Sabrina, pinilit niyang sabihin sa akin ng totoo. Sa paraang alam niya. At yun ang katotohanang niloloko ka lang nito ni Attorney Alon.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
You'll find out soon enough, Attorney Alon. Meron kaming ebidensya.
Gustong sabihin sa akin si Sabrina tungkol kay Attorney Alon bago pa siya mabangga ng sasakyan. Gusto niyang ipagtapat sa akin na niloloko ka lang ni Attorney Alon.
No.
Lilette, can you just please stop this nonsense?
Eh na may katuturan to. Sabrina was trying to warn us, to warn you, na niloloko ka lang ni Attorney Alon from the start.
You stop it. Huwag mo kami sirain.
Sirain? Ikaw yung naninira. Makipagrelasyon ka kay Ira kahit may relasyon pa kayo ni Sabrina. Ito yung mga ebidensyang makakapagpatunay na guilty ka, Attorney Alon.
Don't listen to her. Can't you see she's trying to ruin us? Babe.
Libre na to.
Don't listen to her. She's trying to ruin us.
Siguro naman sapat na yan para maniwala kang niloloko ka lang talaga ni Attorney Alon. Nasa sayo na lang yan kung maniniwala ka pa sa kasinungalingan niya.
Babe, ano to? And why do you have these pictures with Sabrina?
I can explain.
No. Don't tell me that you're just friends. Kasi malinaw sa pictures na to na may relasyon kayo. Ang gusto kong marinig ay ang totoo mula sa'yo. May relasyon ba kayo ni Sabrina? Yes or no, Renan? That's all I want to hear. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, totoo nga yung hinala ko. May babae ka nga at si Sabrina yun.
Tiwala ako sa'yo! Naniwala ako sa'yo totoo ka! Tapos itong gagawin mo sa akin?
Yes, Sabrina and I dated before. Before. That was only because she had feelings for me. Naawa ako sa kanya. I gave her a chance.
Huling-huli ka na nga, magsisinungaling ka pa rin.
But like, that all changed when I met you. Sa'yo ko nalaman na marunong pala ako magmahal. Like, mahal kita.
Huwag kang lalapit sa akin. Don't you dare! You're a liar, manloloko ka! Niloko mo ako!
Babe, you have to believe me. Look, nakipaghiwalay ako kay Sabrina agad. Dahil ikaw yung mahal ko eh. Naawa ako sa kanya. I couldn't fire her.
Oh, so talagang pinagsabay mo silang dalawa, ganon?
No. No, that's not what happened. Okay, wala na kami ni Sabrina nun. I made it clear to her that I loved you. I was in love with you. Look, huli na, nung nalaman ko na na-obsess na pala siya sa akin kung ano-ano na ginagawa niya. Look, naalala mo nung araw na natapunan kanya ng coffee? Babe, she did that on purpose. And it was then that I'd had enough. Okay, I fired her because ayoko na pati ikaw masaktan dahil sa obsession niya sa akin, babe.
Pero bakit ngayon mo lang sinabi sa akin to? Pinagmukha mo akong tanga eh! And after all this time, I believed in you, I trusted you, and you lied to me!
Hanggang kailan mo ba itutuloy ito, Lorena? I've lost my career. No law firm will hire me. Dahil isa akong ama ng isang murderer. No TV station will trust you. And all our savings is almost gone. Uubusin mo pa ba yung natitira dahil lang sa investigasyon na to? We have drained all our resources just to fund this obsession of yours.
We still have properties to sell. At saka, kahit maubusan tayo ng ari-arian, kahit maghirap tayo, I won't stop until Ino gets the justice he needs.
I just hope that the little money we have left is being spent wisely. Dahil mukhang naaaksaya lang dyan sa investigador mo.
Maybe you're right. Kaya siguro dapat ako na mismo kumilos ngayon. A private investigator can only do so much.
What do you mean, Lorena?
That's why I'm rattling the people who wants this case buried. Kung walang mag-aangat ng katotohanan, then ako ang gagawa. Tulad na lang ng naging reaksyon ni Trixie nung nakausap ko siya.
I can't hear this anymore. Stop it, please. I'm sorry.
Trixie almost cried in front of me. Parang guilty. Hindi ko alam kung may nililihim siya o alam niya kung ano nangyari kay Ino.
Trixie, can we talk? I expected na you would tell Lilat everything. But you didn't. You kept quiet. And that tells me something. That deep down inside, hindi mo pa rin ako kayang ipahamak. Alam mo, anak, alam ko, galit ka pa rin sa akin. You may even hate me right now. But I'm still your mother. Thank you for not giving up on me. I know I've hurt you. I know I've done terrible things that you won't understand. Pero maniwala ka, anak. Everything I did was not only for me, but for you and your dad. For our family. To give you a life that you wouldn't have to fight so hard like me. Palang araw, pag naging isang ina ka, maiintindihan mo lahat ng sinasabi ko.
No, Mom. If maging isang ina ko kagaya mo, I could never make my child feel whatever you're making me feel right now. Dahil para tong isang curse na hindi mawala-wala sa isip ko.
Trixie, anak!
Let me get this straight. Ito ang paraan mo to re-emerge into society after our hiatus. To show up to people who cut ties with us. Para kalkalin ulit tong kaso ni Ino at ni Meredith. So, ito ang plano mo. Na magsasalba ng reputasyon natin. Is that it?
Not necessarily. Pero gusto kong maklaro ang pangalan ng anak natin at ang sanity ko, Cons.
And who exactly are these people that you're planning on rattling para dyan sa plano mo?
Sino pa ba? She has every reason to dig in her mother's case. E di anak ni Meredith. We have been silent for too long, Cons. Now is the time to make some noise.